So here we're back at Uncle Ruckus's, and back to do some more concourse restoration level body work. I found him another mirror head. This was on the wall in my garage for years. I used to shave in this and do my hair, so we're gonna put it on there. Gotta drill this door for the mirror, mount the mirror, sand the door, prime the door, all that good stuff. Sound good, Blue? So I referenced all the holes off the old door and just transferred them to the new door, and it goes on there better than I was hoping. But I gotta straighten this out better, because this is not gonna pull straight. It's just gonna crunch the door when I go to tighten the bolts. Alright, I'm happy with the fitment of that. Now I'm gonna sand and prime the door. Big Daddy should be here with my pizza soon. So you've got everything sanded down to the body line. Gotta get some zip strip and clean this shit paint off the door handle before we paint anything. I ripped the trim off. Can't find any type of goof off or glue gone, so I'm just gonna take the propane torch and burn it clean. We'll get some primer and hang out for a little bit, see how quick it tacks up. Maybe we'll get paint on this tonight. Really depends on how quick the primer tacks and how humid it gets tonight. Alright, that's all sanded. We're gonna call it good for tonight. Gave up last night, it just got to be too humid. So, wash, mask, paint. I scrubbed it and rinsed it, and I didn't like it, so I sanded it again and washed it again. Okay, we got everything masked. We'll move my truck, and I'll spray some primer on this, go get lunch, come back, shoot real paint. Wrapping up coat numero uno. We're doing very thin coats. I love Duplicolor, but it's pretty thin. We're just dusting it with each coat. The color match is alright. You gotta understand that that paint's been out in the weather for 30 years, and that has not. Well, came out here and he's pleased with it. That's good. The only thing is he wants to jam it. I didn't think he was that picky. I'm like, okay, no problem. The only thing that kind of sucks though is you're really supposed to jam the door first, then do the outside. So I'm gonna have to be careful and creative, but we'll get her done. Well, that was nice. I got everything masked off, and I got that far around and ran out of paint. Oh well, I'm gonna ask him if he wants to get more paint or just put the door panel back on. There we go. Nice, not quite matching door, but doesn't look like it lost a fight with a telephone pole anymore. Blue is gonna hate me for this, but taking what we've learned from this incident, race car window not going in, Blue's not allowed to stick her head out the window anymore. Sorry. But she can be as mad about that as she wants, but at least she'll still have her head. Found a nice spot to lie down, Blue? What do you think? Big Daddy's? Go sit at the counter?